Hello everyone, welcome to Chandra's Food Delights. Today I have come up with a very healthy breakfast recipe. This is drumstick leaves dosha, which is very healthy, very nutritious. If you talk about drumstick leaves or the drumstick tree is called as the miracle tree. And drumstick leaves and drumsticks are very rich in iron, calcium, vitamins, vitamin E, vitamin B, B1, B2, it is endless till B12. It is a very good antioxidant. It is given in weight management, and those who are lactating mothers, you can give them drumstick leaves. So let's start with a healthy breakfast recipe. Drumstick leaves are available anywhere. It is available in abundance in India, especially in the villages. Only thing you need to pluck it, make use of it. Please make use of the drumstick leaves and be healthy, be safe, be happy. Here I have taken 200 ml curd. I am adding 200 gram of suji or fine rava into this. Let it get soaked for 10 to 15 minutes. Our suji is soaked nicely in the curd. I am going to add 4 tablespoons of atta. I have one handful of this drumstick leaves which is chopped. I am going to add these drumstick leaves to the mixture. Adding 1 teaspoon of jeera powder and salt, required quantity. Let's mix it. The drumstick leaves are thoroughly mixed with the batter. This is the consistency, slightly thicker than the dosa batter. Now we are going to make the dosa. Our dosa stone is heated. It's already hot. I am going to apply the muringa dosa batter. Applying little bit of oil around. Let it get cooked on low fire so that the muringa leaves get cooked properly. It's almost done on one side. I'm going to flip it over to the other side. Let it get cooked on the other side. A little bit of oil on the other side too, so that the dosha gets nicely roasted. Flip it over on both sides so that it gets cooked properly. The muringa leaves has to get cooked properly, so you may have to flip it over 2-3 times. Once again flip it over, let it get cooked nicely. Keep pressing all throughout so that it gets cooked well and gets roasted nicely. It's done on both sides. I'm going to take it out. Let's put once again. Don't apply oil or just no need to brush also in between, because if there is any oil content, the whole thing will get the dosa. You may not be a batter. You may not be able to apply properly. Applying oil all around. Let it get cooked in low fire. It's almost done. I am going to flip it over to the other side. keep turning side to side. How much ever you want to roast it, you can even make it, nicely roasted, make it thinner also. It's done well on this side, so I flipped it over, turning it again. Pour some more oil on top so that it gets roasted well. Turn from side to side. I flip it over. Done on both sides. I'm just removing it. See. After 2 or 3 dosas, you brush up just the no oil, just with the brush. No oil at all. Going to apply the batter once again. Applying a little bit of oil on one side. Bring it over. Press the sides a bit. Let it get cooked on low fire. Apply a little bit of oil at the sides. Wait for it to get cooked. I'm going to flip this. This side, this is not the same brown color as the other side. If you think the flame is low, adjust the flame accordingly so that you can you get a nice roasted dosa. Our drumstick leaves dosas are ready with red coconut chutney. All of you follow my recipe and try making the same, and please put in your comments. It's a very tasty and healthy breakfast recipe and easy to make. Those of you who are watching my videos for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and share and click on the bell icon for further notifications. Have a nice day and thank you.